What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here, back at you with another video. And this is going to be a review video after a year of ownership of these Timberland Pro steel toe 6-inch boots. Now, if you haven't already seen the unboxing video, stop right here, go check that out. I'll put a link and a timestamp, go check it out, come back. This is a year later. This is what they'll look like after a year of hard usage. So I bought these Timberland Pros on Black Friday of 2019. It's currently late December 2020, and holy crap, has it been a rough year. And these boots have been on my feet the entire time. So I don't know if you can see it too well, but there is a lot of scuffs and scrapes on the toes here. The leather is kind of warped right there, like definite creasing, especially around the ankle area, the back. You can see the heavy creasing right there. As for the interior, I wonder if I can pull out the inner soles, show you. The inner soles collect hair. Look at that one, it's stuck on there. Ugh. But it's also falling apart. I'm actually in the area of looking for new inner soles for these, because these are about to give out. We'll just put that on the floor and carry on. But it didn't smell that bad. Yeah, it's the inner soles that stink. So when I first reviewed these and unboxed them, they had a label on them that said antimicrobial, which meant they would stink less. And after a year of usage, it's like that doesn't mean anything, because these will stink just as bad as your feet stink. So it's unavoidable. Just wash your feet, take care of your feet, wear new socks every day. But as for the comfort, these are very comfortable. With the inner soles that they provide, they are very comfortable. I can wear them all day and barely notice them. Until I take them off after a 12-hour shift, that's when I really notice them, and I put on my handy dandy house slippers. So these, I would still definitely recommend them if you're in the neighborhood to buy some boots. Timberland did a very good job with these. After a year, there's a few things that I would replace. You can see the fraying on the laces is pretty rough, and I think that comes from the metal lace loops. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but these have moved slightly. So just from tugging them tight, I have changed the position of these little bolt-shaped eye holes. So that's a little concerning. I don't want them to fall off. You can see the leather is suffering around the top where I tie the laces a lot. That's going to be the first to go, probably. If not, one of the seams down here, because I walk on these so much. There is no separation except for one tiny little bit right there on that shoe. On this one, though, you can kind of see the discoloration right there. It's just wear, and it won't be long before it goes. You can see that my heel drag is a little bit of damage to these. But yeah, they are definitely waterproof, snowproof, puddle-proof, all the way up to about right here. That's where that inside tongue stops. It's like right there. So you can step in some pretty deep puddles and it'll just get your feet wet. Your outside of your feet wet, I should say. Your toes will be nice and dry. So that's a good thing about these. Anti-fatigue. Do they make me any less tired? No, not necessarily. If anything, they're really heavy, so if you walk 30,000 steps in these, you will feel it. And it might make you stronger because of that, because you're doing extra work with your legs lifting these and putting them back down. But yeah, after a year of ownership, they're still trucking. They're still doing great. So would I recommend these? Yes, 100% yes. If you can find them for a good deal, get them. I still like them, and I'll still wear them a lot. I'm probably going to still wear them for another 2 years. Just depending on how long it will be until this gives out. Because that I'm just now kind of noticing that, and that looks kind of rough. But I didn't clean these up before this video. This is what they look like every day before I go to work. I don't polish them or anything like I should, but yeah. These boots are great. I would definitely recommend them. So I had a link posted in my last video. You can use that one, but I'll post it again or find a new link that takes you straight to it. That'll work just fine. But yes, these are the Timberland Pro 6-inch steel toe boots. And they are tough. There's a huge chunk missing out of that one right there. But this leather up here hasn't changed at all. I do need to replace these laces. But that will be probably the last thing that I do. I definitely need to replace these inner soles. So this is what one looks like. Let's pull out the other one. The other one's not so bad. You can see the imprint of my foot. Oh, it's disgusting. But yeah, you can almost see where it used to say Timberland there. But when this starts to fold up, that gets really uncomfortable. With this one, I took a razor blade to it and I cut it off. And you can see it's just wearing thin now. So that'll be the next thing that I need to replace. Inner soles. So hopefully some real heavy duty inner soles. But yeah, I hope you guys are in the neighborhood for some boots and this review helps you. I would definitely recommend these. If you are in much colder climates, I don't know if I'd recommend these. Here recently, temperatures have been down to about 10 and 15 degrees Fahrenheit. And when I'm outside in these, my feet will still get cold with only one pair of socks on. Probably my fault. Need to prepare better for this cold weathers. So I've been recently wearing 2 pairs of socks. So that helps, but these still don't keep out negative 30 degree weather. So if you're looking for something a little better for that, might want to check out more snowboarding boots or cold weather boots. But these are good for everyday wear. Even in the hot weather, my feet sweat in these a little bit, but it's really not that bad, or even more so compared to like sneakers that I have. So yeah. Timberland Pro boots. Do they get my thumbs up? Yes. Do they get a 10 out of 10? No. There's only a few things that I would do better with these. 1, give us better laces. 2, give us better inner soles. And that's about it. Everything else is great. The tread is great. Oh, I will say, these are supposed to be slip proof. And I've stepped in lots of puddles, oil, slippery substances, and they've done great in that. But the other day, in the 10 degree weather in the snow, I slid on some black ice and about busted my butt. So I don't know if I can blame the Timbs on that, but I did slip and fall while wearing them. So that's not a good note. So just be careful on ice with these. I don't think they're meant for that. But yeah, if you're in the neighborhood for some boots, definitely check them out. The Black Friday deals are long over with, so you won't be able to get some crazy deals, but even secondhand, these boots are still in good condition. So I'm not trying to sell mine. I need these for work, but I am trying to sell a lot of thrifted goods, sneakers, t-shirts, hats, and other accessories. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, which I'll leave the links down below, you can be informed of when I'm selling things on Facebook Marketplace or other places when that comes. Right now, Facebook Marketplace is the best place for me to sell stuff, so that's probably where I'm going to sell most items that I have. But I'm moving out here soon. This is the last time you might see this bedroom, unless I make another video in the next month or so. But yes, wish me luck with that, and wish me luck at the job. I'm still there, still kicking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. It's pizza time.